So what is your minimum order quantity?
We don't have strict MOQ, but if you can order more, the price will be cheaper. And it also depends on design. Different design, different size also will affect different MOQ. But you can tell us your quantity requirements. We can help you to quote.
So how long does it take from sample to mass production?
Generally, it takes about 15 to 20 working days for sample, and after sample approval from you, it takes about 50 to 55 working days for mass production. But if you have special lead time requirement, you can tell us. I will help you to check.
Okay, another question. So do you offer exclusive custom designs?
Yes, customer design is our main production line, so you can send us your design pictures or idea. We have our own design team. We can help you to make 3D design, and we will make 3D model for you. You can check it.
Okay, so can I know what kind of certification your product has?
Our product can meet a variety of certifications, such as for ceramic products, our products can meet the REACH EN71, and for ceramic products, it can meet FDA SGS.
Okay, that's great. Can the packaging be fully customized?
Yes, we offer fully customized packing service. Whether you need white box, color box, or high-end gift box, we all can help you to do.
Okay. Another question, what about the shipping? Can you help us to ship the goods?
Yes, we provide shipping service. We cooperated with many professional forwarders. They can provide competitive price, and they are very familiar about our products, so they will help us to ship goods well.
Okay. And what about other offers? Do you have other services?
Yes, once you place order, our customer service team will take over your orders, including production, shipping, and future orders. They are very professional and with over 10 years experience. And we also have QC team. We will inspect every step during production, and before shipping, we also will inspect the goods.
Okay. And what about samples? Can you provide me some samples?
Yes, after you place the order, we will provide pre-production sample for you to check. And only you are satisfied with the sample, then we start mass production.
Okay, thank you for your answers.